Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back yet, and I mean, how you doing? I hope you're doing great. What's really good, guys? I have this 2019. This is just a little tip for the people. You know what I'm saying? This is a 2019 Kia Sorento. All right. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna give you a little tip. Before I jump into the please don't forget to support the channel. Support the channel. I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. God damn it, do that. Like this video. Click on the bell button. So every time I upload new content to this channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. You know what I'm saying? Like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put it in the comment box. Alright? Any questions, you know what I'm saying? Put it in the comment box. As soon as I see it, I'll reply. And watch the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. Alright? Don't skip it. That's how you support the channel right there. You feel me? So a lot of people don't know how to check the tires in this car. Kia Sorento, know what I'm saying? 2019. All you gotta do is look, you start the car, step on the brake pedal, push the start button. Then the car is gonna tell you what the car needs, right? It's gonna tell you it needs service, and you have a low tire though. Okay, it's gonna tell you which one. All right, you see it right there. But let's say you drive around and that message go away. You see that? I open the hood. That's what it means. That's why it's blinking like that, because I open the hood. So you drive, the message go away, you go to the mechanic, you don't know what tire is flat in its tire or it needs to be repaired. So all you gotta do is, the mechanic can do it, you know what I'm saying? But if you wanna know how to do it, I'm gonna show you right here how to do it. Yeah, I mean, it's me, bro. Alright, so all you gotta do is, the car is running right now, you know what I'm saying? And just press this guy. Okay, press it. Press it again. It's gonna take you to this little menu. Okay, now if you press it, you see how it changed, right? The top, it changed, right? Now you go over here, right there, and then scroll down with this, like that. Okay, now when you scroll down right there, it's gonna tell you again what tire it is. It has a low pressure. Okay, know what I'm saying? So that's the left front driver's side. Okay, then the message is gonna go away when you don't touch any button. All you gotta do to see it back is just press this button down, and the message is comes back. All right, and it goes away because you're not doing nothing here. That's why it goes away. If you want it to come back, press it there. All right, but this only thing is gonna happen. This is gonna happen just because you're right there. But if you exit, I'm saying, it's not gonna go back to that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can press. But when you are there, you know what I'm saying, when you're there and it goes away, all you can do is press this or up or down. All right, it's gonna come back. You know what I'm saying? You see? All right, so that's all you gotta do. All right, to see what tire it is, has a low pressure, it has a problem. All right, that's all I want to say. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this tip. And highlight your boy. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Hey.